Hi, Sifu Paul Ng.
Hi, Catherine.
2024 is the year of the dragon. Could you tell us about the 2024 outlook for the people who are born in the year of the dog in the area of health?
Now, the dog and the dragon are opposite. So it takes a lot of precaution and be very careful. There will be unexpected small illnesses, plentiful maybe. So make sure you rest well and do more exercise and don't do anything risky.
And how about in the area of career?
Career-wise, you're very spiritual this year. So if you are a professor, you're a teacher, you're an artist, you're a musician, and you're in the entertainment business, you can still do very well. And obviously traveling is good too. So, but be careful because of the conflict when you're traveling. Don't do anything risky.
And in the area of wealth?
Definitely no gambling. Okay, no speculation. Don't go to casinos and be careful about stock markets. But your regular income should be fine. Just make sure you don't get greedy.
And lastly, in the area of marriage?
Marriage because of conflict. So if you are not married yet, you cannot marry this year. Unless the other party and you are completely opposite. That's the only exception. But if you already have someone in mind or you are already married, be careful about arguments, fighting unnecessarily. So listen more, talk less.
Happy Chinese New Year.
恭喜發財。